Thank you, Jack. Now, if you live near an Edmonds school, you got a big decision to make tomorrow.
Through an election, the school district is asking voters to approve a $147 million bond package. Fox 25's David Chazanoff spoke with the EPS superintendent. So, David, if this passes, tell us, how are they going to spend that money?
Adam and Wendy, if this bond passes, it would expand the district, bringing in 2 new schools among other upgrades. On Tuesday, Edmond voters will see 2 proposals on their ballot. Superintendent Dr. Angela Grunwald says the first proposition would raise $144 million to build an elementary and middle school at the southeast corner of Air Depot Boulevard and Covell Road.
Chisholm Elementary and Redbud are the 2 that primarily serve East Edmond, and Chisholm is full without an empty classroom, and Redbud is growing at the rate that it's not going to be able to keep up. And so we know we have to get them some relief to prevent the overcrowding.
If the first issue passes, it would also fund the construction of a new freshman academy at Edmond Santa Fe High School.
It's separate, it's still attached to the building, but yet its own separate building. And it just helps those students transition from middle school to high school.
The second proposal would raise $3 million for new school buses and other safety improvements.
For our buses, a smart tag system, so that as students get on and off the bus, we can tell what time they got on, what bus stop they got on, and just to help us be able to know where students are on the buses.
Superintendent Dr. Grunwald says approving these bonds won't raise taxes.
It will not. It is planned as one bond goes off, another one comes on, and so it is planned for their taxes to stay flat.
Grunwald says you don't have to live within Edmond city limits to vote on these bonds. Now, if you live near an Edmond school, you will be allowed to vote.